Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. ULebo Hangmaboy utraveling Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uye Congo. Possibly singakwazi ukumbona adlala igame yakhe yokuqala for iKaizer Chiefs. Okunye-ke noma ezinye iy'ndaba ukuthi maningi-ke manje ama-player available kuKaizer Chiefs. Sobona oBatman, sobona oVelebayi, possibly o-Igataro nabo already available. Ngimbonile uGiven Msimango naye Jimmy available. So maningi kakhulu ama-player eKaizer Chiefs available and they're ready to make their first to play their first match for Kaizer Chiefs to make their debut. So konke kulele kuma-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi azobadlalisa nini abafana, but-ke I assume this is just my prediction against iSuwelele FC njengoba bazodlala nge-22 Wednesday or so nge-22 bazokwazi uku-unleasha a new talent bafowethu. Lama-talente lawa especially abafana abancane abaqeda ukufika, ngicabanga ukuthi some of them bazothola ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs. Singabona ama-player for the first time esingakaze siwabone ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not sure-ke ngoboshinga nabo-Cheslett, but what I can believe manje ukuthi uVelebayi for sure, I think uVelebayi sombona kuqala kunawo wonke ama-player lawa afikile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially mekudlalwa neSuwelele FC. If asimboni, even if akayiqala igame will come from the bench maybe boma second half. Sikhumbule ukuthi uModi-ke kuyaxega on and off. uModi is not giving them everything that they want ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So into ezokwenzeka uVelebayi will be given an opportunity to play. Igataro asazi maybe against iSuwelele siyobona ama-players singakaze siwabone lapho. Ngisho bafowethu, ngisho because the players are ready and some of the players babuya ku-injury njengoba bengikhulumile ngaboThabiso Munyani noNdlovu. Sobona ukuthi bazofitha kanjani ku-model eKaizer Chiefs, but already abanye sebaziprovile oThabiso Munyani ukuthi ba-well equipped ukuthi badlalele iKaizer Chiefs. Nje sokusele ukuthi bangaba-risk immediately. That was my worry ukuthi okay, possibly maybe banga-riska lama-players lawa too fast, angatholi lese-chance yokuthi ya-adapte to iKaizer Chiefs or abe fully fit yet again. So but maningi kakhulu ama-options laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bangawenza ama-changes abangawenza. Because of i-team ayikakenzi kahle in terms of ukuthola ama-results, but on the continental level they wanna go out there. Uma ngithi kuthola ama-results ngikhuluma nga-recent games bafowethu. Siyazi ukuthi baqala isizini kahle kakhulu, ama-promises wale phezulu, ama-fans azabuza noDuba kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance yokuwina i-league. uDuba naye azaphendula laphana online athi not yet, yabo bekangaka-confirm. After lokho-ke iKaizer Chiefs yadrobha-ke ama-performances wabo, but-ke i-blame ikubo because badlala nama-team la ba-create ama-opportunities, clear cut opportunities zawu-5, but-ke bawageja wonke. uLilepo for me one of the most important players ku-Kaizer Chiefs, okumele alungise izinto ezimbalwa, adlale as a collective, not ukuthi afune ukushayana as an individual ukuthi ushaya noma kuphi. Kumele acabangele i-team as a whole bafethu, engacabangeli yena kuphela, otherwise-ke i-team izokwazi ukubhenefitha kakhulu kuye umfowethu bafethu. Uyi-superstar, yabona lo mjida lo uyi-superstar. Ngithanda i-engine yakhe na-aggression yakhe. It's not easy ukuthi ummake, but at the same time equally kumele sibuze ukuthi why elokhu njani. Isikhathi esiningi ahlala laphana ku-byline le ekugcineni bafowethu, engaselayinini cabanga. So I mean kumele azame ngempela uku-minimize lokho ukuthi as much as winger isikhathi esiningi utholakala ekugcineni le ngaselayinini, and then he would beat 1 or 2 players but still kusamele travel long ukuthi close to the 18 area. So kumele akwazi ukudropa kancane ukuthi obe close, angami elayinini kakhulu, then ukuba abe more efficient because isikhathi esiningi uba frustrated, not even frustrated. I think igame yakhe ukuthi uvele ashaye noma ekuphi, but-ke sombona umfethu ukuthi uzodlala kanjani. Asingeneni kweze-Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu, the iconic, the immortal Themba Mshishizwane. Sibonile bafana iqualifyile for i-FIFA World Cup. Umbuzo of the question omkhulu bafethu ukuthi uThemba Mshishizwane uzoba khona ku-World Cup na? Siyazi ukuthi una-36 this year, by the time maybe kudlala i-World Cup uyobe na-37. I-South Africa idinga experience yakhe laphana ukuthi aye ku-World Cup umfowethu, because siyazi ukuthi is one of the leaders ku-national team laphana ku-South Africa. Bekhona laphana eMbombela South Africa meyenza i-history laphana ukuthi i-qualify for i-World Cup. Sikhumbule ukuthi uThemba Zwane akaze ayidlala i-FIFA World Cup, not even once bafowethu. So this is a big opportunity for yena umfowethu ukuthi adlale i-World Cup because igame yakhe yokugcina, well noma singathi kungaba i-tournament yakhe yokugcina enkulu. Asazi ukuthi uMamelodi Sundowns bazomkhipha until nini, but I think would all trickle down to ukuthi uzoyidlala na, uzodlala kangakanani this season. Maybe kungaba i-farewell yakhe laphana i-World Cup. Konke kulele kuye, but at the same time into esingakhuluma ngayo sikhave ngaye bafethu ama-injuries wakhe bafethu ulo Themba Zwane unama-injuries amaningi kakhulu ama-long term injuries. Ubuya ku-long term injury and then uphinde wathinteka laphana angathintwanga umuntu but uvele walimala. So yizo lezi zinto kuMamelodi Sundowns kumele bazibheke nakuBafana Bafana kumele bazibheke, but i-leadership yakhe laphana inside the field of play, even-ke noma ngaba i-squad player, I think ingaba important because hhayi ukuthi wonke umuntu abazomselekta kuBafana Bafana uzodlala ku-World Cup, abanye bohlala ebhentshini i-tournament yonke. So what is best or what is better than ukuselekta uThemba Mshishizwane abekhona, because iflair yakhe ne-creativity ne-spark sakhe laphana egamini overall abafethu second to none. So umuntu ongeke umrayithe off bafethu when he's fully fit akwazi ukuperform, but kuzoya ngesizini yakhe overall kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi udlala amagame angakanani, and then-ke sesingaqala i-conversation yokuthi potentially or possibly angaba khona ku-FIFA World Cup. Abanye ngike ngakhuluma ngabo bafethu engibazwelayo aboBasadeni. uBasadeni mina ngiyamzwela because the guy for me is the best left back in the country by far, but ujoyine iMamelodi Sundowns. Guess what? Ufika kuMamelodi Sundowns uthola i-team ephefoma kahle, oModiba abadlali bavele batshintsha amagiya-ke manje baphefoma serious because bayabona ukuthi hey, if uBasadeni uzokwazi ukuclaim le left back position, chaza ukuthi uModiba isikhala sakhe sizophela lesina kuBafana Bafana, because you need to play kulokhu njani ku-team yakho ukuthi uselect for i-national team. If you don't play, you don't get selection. Ngicabanga ukuthi but-ke overall i-World Cup qualification bafethu izophusha amajita laphana amaningi, amaplayer amaningi ukuthi akwazi ukumisela serious, akwazi ukuphusha ukuthi azi ukuthi ku-Betway Premiership naku-continental level abaperformi just nje for bona, but baperforma ukubonwa yini national team coach, which is uHugo Broos. But Hugo Broos unamaplayer wakhe bafethu sibeni fair, khona amaplayer if akaku-understand kahle ngeke akuselekte noma ungaphefoma kahle. Nangu-Keletso, I mean uKeletso weSkhukhune United bafethu is by far one of the best players. I mean bamnominated for i-football of the season, bamnominated for i-players play of the season, but akekho laphana. Kuselekthwa amanye amaplayer anganayo i-impact at all laphana ku-Betway Premiership. It is sad, but it's part of i-football bafethu, ayingaqiniso. But sothini ucoach imebhiliva yena nge-team yakhe le adlala ngayo, ebhiliva nge-structure ne-style sakhe ukuthi siyasutha, singamfolta sithini bafethu Hugo Broos because uyakwazi ukuthola ama-results. If bekangawathola ama-results then I think abantu abaningi bebazoba super frustrated kakhulu, but manje singaba frustrated kuba frustrated, but-ke mekathola ama-results ayigide esizoyisho bafethu, uyawathola ama-results, uyadiliva. I mean, for the first time, iBafana Bafana qualifier for a World Cup in 24 years. Imagine, bafethu, 24 years. 24 years khathi qualify. 2010 asibali, guess why? Because of beba ama-host, I mean, abaqualifyanga. Akumelanga basebenze kanzima ukuthi baqualifye, bebehleli nje emakhaya and then baqualify because by at home. That's it. That is why they didn't even fight that much. 2010 FIFA World Cup they played, but something was lacking. As a host nation, you have to bring it. First time in history, iBafana Bafana, they embarrassed us in front of the world. Which first time in history, ama-host nations ahlule ukuphuma kuma-group stages, because when you're hosting i-World Cup, umhlaba wonke ukubhekile, especially first game, billions of people babukele. You can't even win your first game. Ayi ziyakhala bafethu. I mean mawubheka ama-previous host, i-Russia bafethu ikwazile ukudlala kahle kakhulu laphana ku-World Cup. Imagine what is this nation, is it beyihostele eSaudi no ngizokhumbula ukuthi beyihostele kuphi le World Cup le win e-Argentina lapho nje eQatar, yes, Qatar, yes. So I mean siyabona ukuthi back then iBafana Bafana the worst performers in terms of ama-host, but-ke this time around I think bazoba motivated because of even ama-rankings waku-FIFA, ama-rankings waku-AFCON bayakhuphuka kancane kancane. Hugo Broos ulivusile ibhola lase-South Africa, bekubonakala ngathi selifile. I mean imagine there were times la iBafana Bafana ingaqualify not even for i-AFCON bafethu, but-ke they are seen as giants of South African football because of i-league that they've built. uHugo Broos into ayilethile kuBafana Bafana bafethu i-winning mentality, i-structure is-solid, and I mean i-system yakhe nje aze nayo ukuthi kuzodlalwa kanje nakanje nakanje. I-player, I'm playing with this caliber of players, if awudlali kanje I won't even select you noma kuthiwa uperforma kanjani. So ufuna ama-players adlala i-style sakhe, abasutha i-style sakhe laphana overall. Asivaleni ngilona bafethu nge-president yama-2000 uRelé Mofokeng. uRelé Mofokeng mina I am against indaba yakhe yokuhlala laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi angayi overseas, but into emsizile ukuthi ahlale ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi obviously is close to iBafana Bafana. I mean obviously isikhala sakhe sisasekhona kuBafana Bafana, ayivelanga indaba yakhe yaphela bafowethu. Uzokwazi ukudlala ama-competitions amakhulu laphana under iBafana Bafana, and potentially-ke ilona i-market value yakhe izoloku ikhulu, Orlando Pirates izoloku ikhuphula i-price. So ngeke kube lula ukuthi avele ahambe laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, kuzoba nzima kakhulu bafowethu, but kumele aperforme ku-AFCON, aperforme naku-World Cup ukuthi Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthola i-sizable signing or transfer fee eyirekhodi potentially ku-PSL if uzokwazi ukuperforma kahle umfowethu. But konke kulele kwesimfisela inhlanhla bafowethu. I mean at the same time ukuhlala ku-Orlando Pirates kumkhostile financially. Why ngisho kanje? Because mawubheka iplayer efana no-Rilem Mofokeng bedlala nalo, Manunkotha, mawubheka iplayer efana noNkotha bedlala nalo ku-Orlando Pirates ehola almost 400,000 a week laphana e-Saudi Arabia. So mebheka uRilem Mofokeng uthi eish nkosi yami, bengidlala nayo uhola boma 20 million ngonyaka, mina I'm still here, maybe I'm not even making a million. So I mean yeah, kunzima kakhulu, but hands down to ilo kunjana, to King noma ngithi president yama-2000, keep soldiering on, be strong mentally, aphushe umfowethu. Ngizovala nje ngaye, ngicela ukuzibamba lana ngithi danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko ro.